swallow, but you see, fufu, Garri, rano. Hi guys, so this morning I'm making my special fried rice because you know, keto diet, you don't have to eat rice, but you can also make your rice in a very beautiful way, which I'm about to show you guys. So let's cook.
Love with you, love with you. Feel so true, feel so new. Love with you, love with you. Every moment just me and
I don't have much broccoli at home. It's raining. I can't go down to bed. I don't have that energy. So let's be ready for a few minutes.
every day shining bright. In your eyes I see the light. Laugh and dance through the night. Can't believe this feels so right. Love with you feels like a dream. Never wanna wait, it seems. Holding hands under the stars. With you I can go so far.
Then you can have your seasoning
every
like
day shining bright.
You know, something good.
In your eyes I see the light. Laugh and dance through the night.
This is our pasta.
Can't believe this feels so right. Love with you, love with you. Feel so true, feel so new.
And you see how much veg is packed?
Love with you,
More than the rice.
every moment just me and
That is just fried a little bit. Add water. But the rice is good. The rice will steam a little bit.
love with you feels like a dream. Never wanna wait, it seems. Holding hands under the stars. With you I can go so far. Every day shining bright.
Smells yum.
You said?
It smells yum.
Thank you, baby. So I just finished making plantain turkey pepper soup. I've been having running, my nose has been running, and I've been having cough. And you know how it is here, it's always cold. I've done a whole lot of things for me, as in for me to get myself back, but I cough and I vomit at the same time. But today I chose to make this sweet yummy pepper soup. Can you see my pepper soup? So let's stir it. I used ripe plantain because I don't eat unripe plantain. So let's just finish this, and I'm going to eat my first meal. Although I ate eggs this morning, you know I'm still dieting, so I ate eggs. This is going to be my lunch, but I'm not eating all of them for you guys to say I eat too much. So this is my lunch, and I'm gonna keep some maybe for tomorrow. Guys, so this morning we are having our Lord Nelson's green tea. You remember we are still on our keto diets. Remember. Anyways, this morning we are having our Lord Nelson's green tea. After taking this green tea, I'm going to be like eating maybe boiled eggs, you know, depending on my mood. Because sometimes after taking this, I don't feel hungry till 2 o'clock. So when I take this, I'm just going to boil like 2 eggs. That will be my breakfast. You get? Then after that, I won't eat till maybe 2 o'clock. I will take something like maybe Greek yogurt, some coconut chips, you know, some coconuts, you know, just something light, nuts, almond nuts, groundnuts, you know, peanuts and everything. But this is what I take every morning. This is green tea. If you want to start your keto, you need green tea. You cannot just wake up and say you don't want to eat. You might have ulcer. But if you have green tea and boiled eggs, you know there is something in your stomach. You understand? So this is how we are going to be doing it till I get my results. Remember, the aim is to reduce my arm fat. If you haven't watched my last video, Please quickly go and watch it. I'm working on my arm fat because I see people tell me, why are you doing it? Your body is good. Why are you doing it? Even my husband is like, what are you working out for? But me, I'm like, please, it's what I want. Any part of my body that is not giving what it's supposed to give, I have to work on it because I can't do no surgery. It's already summer here. We're already having fun. The kids are here. And my neighbors, you know, we're in the middle. There's something we organize every year in my city. Like, everybody come together, do their thing. But everything is always nice. So today is just a normal day. There is sun, and then I noticed they came out. So I brought my kids out so they can have fun too. After all, we're all in summer. We're all having fun. We're not really doing much today because we don't have much kids, but there are a few kids here. My daughter and her friends. Then my son, he saw his friend. He's so excited, so happy.
Lover with you,
Where's your brother?
love with you. Feels so true, feels so new.
Papa, come
Love
look at that
with
small one there.
Love with you. Every
enjoying your summer?
moment just me and you.
Keep practicing, mama. Continue, my love. She was no. She knows Nigerian. She knows too much.
Cause we're young and we're beautiful. We're the talk of the neighborhood. With our starry eyes and our fading smile. I don't think you should wait a while. We're young and we're beautiful. And this time.
So this is my. Thank you. This is my. I think 2 weeks. This is my second week of doing my keto and also working out. So guys, check me out.
Jesus.
Can you see the work? You see, most food we eat, we're not supposed to eat them at all in this life. Like swallow. There are so many kinds of swallow, but you see, fufu, garri, rano. Hi guys. So hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Thank you so much. Please do not forget to leave your comments. Thank you. And then let's push this body together. Remember, no pain, no gain. Let's burn this fat. Bye. Thanks for watching.